Hello all. Welcome to CNC program in series lecture 2. Okay, let's do this part program. What is part program actually? Okay. Sorry. Part program is an important component of CNC machine. CNC machine. The shape of the manufacturer component will depend on how correctly the program has been prepared. If our written program is not correct, then it will produce what we have programmed. If we did not program in a desired manner, what we want to obtain. I want to make this type of rectangular box into. I want to cut this chamfer here, but I had written a program like this, then it will obviously produce this type of. Okay, why will this produce? So we have to write the correct program. Okay, it means the shape of the manufacturer component will depend on how correctly the program has been prepared. Okay, ourselves. Part program is a set of instruction which instruct the machine tool about the processing steps to be performed for the manufacture of a component. Okay, part program will tell what type of shape, what type of desired shape we want to manufacture by using this program. And the part program is a set of instruction which instruct the machine tool about the processing step to be performed for the manufacture of a component. Okay, let's talk about the another point, that is the part program. The part, or we can omit this. Part programming is the procedure by which the sequence of processing step and another related data to be performed on the CNC machine is planned and documented. The part program is then transferred to one of the input media which is used to instruct the CNC machine. This part program is the program which is then transferred to the CNC system, which will convert this into the machine code. Machine code means 0 or 1. Okay, this is the explicit program. Then explicit means we have written separately. Okay, and then we will put it into the CNC machine. CNC machine will process and thus produce according to the program. Okay, there are some of the things that we have to know about. First of all, let's talk about coordinates. What is coordinates? Coordinates are x, y, and z. We know that coordinates x, y, and z words. We can simply say that coordinate x, y, and z words. Okay, these words give that coordinate position for x, y, z position. Okay, whenever there is a point, if I have to let us consider that my tool is here and I have to go here. By what method I will give the this relation? By coordinate method, because it is very easy. Anyone can understand that. I can say that if it is 10 mm long and it is 0 0, then I will go, this is, I am not moving in any x direction, so it x direction is 0 comma 10. Okay, I like that. This is x, then that is y. In a plane we only have to give x and y coordinate, there is no z coordinate. Okay, so in 2-axis CNC machine, only two coordinates would be used, that is xy or yz. Okay, to specify angular position around 3 coordinate axes, additional, that is a word and b word are used. A word and b word are used. In addition, the I, J, K are used to specify the position of the arc center in case of circular interpolation. Okay, in the I, J, K concept I will tell you in the circular interpolation section. Okay, and another one, feed function, F words. Feed function are designated by F words. F word means feed function. What is the feed? Feed means the feed function is used to specify the feed rate in the machining operation. If you had worked on the CNC machine, not CNC, sorry, lathe machine, we have to give feed by our hand. We give feed by our hand, but there is the CNC machine is an automatic machine. We know that till now we have know that the CNC machine is an automatic machine, so it will feed itself. we also can in a lathe machine also. If you use that, if you had worked on the lathe machine, then we also can provide a continuous feed in the lathe machine also. But many of us that we'd like to work on by our hand, because we feel enjoying working with lathe. Okay, so I feel enjoyed, but you enjoyed or not? I don't know, guys. Okay, I feel enjoying well, because in once a year, in a once a semester, we have to hardly 6 or 7 labs. Okay, at that time, if I given the that it means automatic, then what I will do? I will not enjoy. Okay, so to enjoy, I've given the feed rate by my hands. Okay, feed rate. Okay, sorry for your time. Okay, guys, the feed rate is expressed in millimeter per minute or millimeter per revolution. Millimeter per revolution. If feed is 200 per minute, it will be presented as a 200. Okay, f 200, it means feed. This is feed word, this represent the feed rate. 200 means 200 per minute. 200 per minute, do you know what is 200 per per minute? Okay, many of us, you know, I assume that, but I will tell you guys. 200 per minute means in 1 minute it will it will travel a distance of 200 it will travel means it will remove 200 length. If I have to go from here to here 200 I will remove this amount of material according to the depth of cut. Okay, depth of cut, what will depth of cut? I'll tell you guys. You know that depth of cut means how much depth I am giving to remove the material. Okay, how much depth I am giving to the tool to remove the material. Okay, then let's move to the appropriate G code should be specified to instruct the machine whether the we'll talk about the unit. The feed value is per minute or in per revolution. G94 or G95. G94 means per minute, or G95 means per inch per minute. Okay, I'm bit confused. Please search on the Google. Okay, this is the per minute or in revolution. Okay, in revolution, this is per minute and this is per revolution. Okay, or let's go to the third section, that is spindle speed. Spindle speed function. Spindle speed function is represented by, also called, it is designated as words S. Okay, S, if there is any S, it means it is spindle, related to the spindle speed. Okay, you guys will intuitively know that it is spindle speed. If there is an F is equals to 200, then it means feed rate is 200 per minute. Okay, let's go to the spindle speed is specified either in revolution per minute, RPM, or as a meter per second. Okay, spindle speed is either frequently the speed is represented in revolution per minute. Okay, in a less, and generally it is used as a RPM, but in it is not, I had not seen this type of meter per second usually. Okay, if the spindle speed is given in a meter per second, the control unit calculate the revolution per minute using appropriate formula. Okay, you know that the formula. How can we transfer this meter per second? This is a linear velocity and we have to convert it into the RPM, that is angular velocity. Okay, guys, we have to use that relation. If the machine has to operate at 800 RPM, the speed will specified as 800. Okay, 800 RPM, then I have to represent by as 800. RPM means revolution per minute. Okay, another one function, there is another one function called tool selection function. T is, if there is any function in a, why we have to use T? Because in a CNC machine there is a turret. In CNC machine we can hold. There are many pockets where we can hold more than 5 to 6 tools at a time. So that's time we have to assign the pocket tool 1, tool 2, tool 3. There is we have already insert this some like I had written, I had in a torret there is a pocket 1. In that pocket I had inserted a what drilling tool. Okay, then whenever I require to drilling, whenever I have to make a hole, then I will call that t. If there is if the I had put the drilling tool on the pocket 1, then I will call like t1. It means tool 1. Okay, let's already the 10 minutes had gone. Okay, the t word is needed only for machine with torret programmable torret or automatic tool changer. Okay, automatic tool changer, it ATC, automatic tool changer. What is automatic tool changer? It may come in exam. Okay, each tool pocket on the tool torret or ATC has distinct tool number. I already told you that the T word in the part program specify which tool is to be used. Okay, and in the operation, tool number for particular operation is specified as T002 to T99 if there are number of tool. Okay, miscellaneous function I already told you that in the upcoming video we will talk about linear interpolation, circular interpolation. Okay, till now okay guys, enjoy. I had made this video, it may help you. I know that I already provide you with the notes, and it will, if this help you, please guys like and subscribe. Thank you all.